Hey there everyone, hope you're doing great. Today I'm going to show you how to change the device name or the network name on your Sony Bravia Smart TV. This name actually showing up when you search your Smart TV from another device. Now if you want to change it to a specific name from your choice, then here is how you can do it. So now in order to change the device or the network name on your Sony Bravia Smart TV, first thing first, you need to find out the settings option. So I'm just going to go to the top and navigate to the right side. And once you get the settings option, just go ahead and press OK. And from the settings option, you need to go all the way down from here and select network and then press OK from here. And go down and find out the device name option. So once you get that, you need to press OK again, and here you'll get to see the device name. It's actually showing up with my Smart TV model. So now to change this one, just go ahead and press OK, and here you'll get to see the name. So I'm just gonna press the green button in order to clear the name from here, and I'm gonna set a new name. So let's say I'm gonna change the name to Fix 369 Sony TV, and once you're done with your name, you just go ahead and select the enter option from here, and then press OK from the remote. And here as you can see, the device name has been successfully changed on my Sony Bravia Smart TV. Well, so now if I'm gonna search my Smart TV from another device, it's gonna show me this name right now. So guys, this is how you can easily change the device or the network name on your Sony Bravia Smart TV. Hope you find this video helpful. If you do, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one, and thank you very much for watching.